Let's talk about it. Let's talk about what it really takes to run a successful business online. Because if somebody would have shared with me, just taken the time to share with me what it really took to build a successful business online, I wouldn't have wasted all that time, all that money, and most importantly, on that energy, and even ruining relationships because I had no idea what to do. I was so frustrated sitting in front of the computer thinking that I could figure it out. My goodness, if someone would just have taken the time to just look at me, instead of just seeing that black Haitian girl from Miami who's broke and destitute, if somebody would have just taken the time to look at me and just seen the potential, because I was a hustler, I was a dreamer, I had a vision. I just needed to know how. So you know what? I'm shooting this video today not to talk about me, not to talk about the millions of dollars that we've made in our business, not to talk about the lifestyle that we have that we can literally pick up and go to any country and travel anywhere in the world that we want to with our family and our 2-year-old daughter. I'm not here to talk about all of those things. You know what I'm here to talk about? Today specifically, I want to share with you how to run a successful business online. I want to be that light for you. I want to take the time to look into your eyes and let you know that yes, I believe in you. And you know what? You can do it too. Now, if that sounds good, here's what I want you to do. There's a website below. Go ahead and click on the website and enter in your name and your email address. Once you do that, I'm gonna open my books wide open and I'm gonna share every single detail with you so that you have all of the facts in running a successful online business. Because I just wanna be that person for someone else watching this. Because I understood how you feel. I remember those nights, just goodness, wishing, craving for someone to just show me the way, asking God to just answer my one prayer. Well, you know what? I want to do that for you. So if you were like me, staring at the computer, wondering how, you know that it's possible, but now you're wondering, my goodness, how is this done? And you want somebody to just take the time and look at you like a human being and say, yes, I believe in you. And I know that you can do this too, well then go ahead and click on my website below, enter in your name and your email address, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you. I'm looking forward to being that light in your life. And most importantly, I know that I am not the woman that will change the world, and I'm perfectly okay with that. But I guarantee that I will touch the mind and the heart of the woman who does. The only question that I have for you today is, are you that woman?